Vajpayee. I am presenting from Amity Institute of Public Policy, and I'm presenting this paper along with my co-author, Professor Dr. Sukhwant S. Bindra. Apologies that he couldn't be a part of this presentation due to timing issues. The theme of my presentation is Digital Governance and AI for Sustainable Cultural Heritage, a public policy perspective from India. To begin with, this study majorly explores how emerging technologies, particularly artificial intelligence in the modern day, can be integrated with digital governance mechanisms to support sustainable cultural heritage management while ensuring community participation, transparency, and long-term preservation. To give a slight background of what this study entails to and tries to cover up, India, as we all know, possesses one of the world's richest cultural heritage landscapes, which encompasses tangible heritage and intangible heritage. To say so, tangible heritage includes monuments and historical sites, whereas the intangible heritage includes indigenous systems, traditions, and performing arts. However, the current global challenges, including globalization, urbanization, environmental pressures, and inadequate documentation, has led to deterioration of the cultural assets, and they have not been taken care of in the way they should have been taken care of previously. So, along with this in line of thinking, we have certain solutions to the problems which are produced by artificial intelligence and digital governance. They offer solutions in their own way, like providing documentation efforts, monitoring, risk prediction, and public engagement, while also maintaining a sense of coordination, transparency, and engaging more citizen participation in this field. Now, the major question that has been taken into while this study was how AI, artificial intelligence, and digital governance strengthen sustainable cultural heritage preservation in India. This study was guided by four major research objectives, or the objectives, they can also be taken as the research questions for this study. First one was to examine the role of artificial intelligence in cultural heritage management. The second one was to analyze how digital governance mechanisms are relevant to the preservation of heritage. Third, to identify the opportunities and the challenges which exist in AI-driven heritage governance. And finally, it tries to present a policy framework as to how sustainable cultural heritage management can take place. Now, this is a brief conceptual foundation. The study stands on three major pillars: culture plus governance and the AI. Now, the conceptual foundation of this study rests on the interaction of these three interconnected dimensions. The first one being the cultural heritage, which represents the assets, traditions, identities, which encompasses both tangible and intangible heritage here. The second one being governance, particularly digital governance. Here is the focus. It includes the policies, the institutions, regulations, and stakeholder participation in decision making. And the third one is artificial intelligence, which provides analysis and prediction tools for enhanced decision-making processes. The intersection of these three dimensions creates what can be referred to as sustainable heritage governance and not just management, where technology supports implementation while remaining responsive to cultural and social realities. This slide talks of the research process that was undertaken. The study adopts majorly qualitative research approach to explore how artificial intelligence has a major role to play in cultural heritage governance and sustainable management. There were certain documents, specifically the policy documents or government reports, academic journals, and multiple publications by United Nations and UNESCO, which were taken into consideration to analyze the themes, and policy discourse analysis and thematic analysis took place, which led to the certain findings which I'll be discussing later on in the upcoming slides. So, to brief on the key findings, there were four major emerging themes in this research. The first one being AI-enabled heritage documentation and conservation. The second being digital governance and policy innovation. Third, citizen participation and inclusive development. And fourth, the challenges pertaining to the ethics, governance, and digital inequality or digital divide that even exists today. These themes collectively demonstrate that both the transformative potential and the practical limitations of AI heritage governance need to be considered while we are talking of a major implementation model or integration model of technology in heritage governance. So, to discuss the theme one as a part of the findings, the first major finding concerns the role of AI in heritage documentation. AI technologies can significantly improve the digitization of manuscripts or archives, monuments, and cultural records. As you can see on the screen as well, there is an ancient manuscript as a sample that you can see, which is digitally scanned and then converted into in an archive form, which can be preserved for a way longer period of time instead of keeping them in the original forms that they existed previously. Uh, AI also supports predictive conservation of identifying structural deterioration before visible damage occurs, as an example that I presented just now. Furthermore, artificial intelligence enhances accessibility by creating searchable digital archives and improving public access to heritage resources. For example, if you visit, I can talk from my own personal experience. I visited Switzerland last year, and when I went to Zurich, there was a museum that I visited, and particularly the most amazing thing about, and the most amusing thing at the same time about the museum was that, as you can see, the ancient stones or relics, either they were from a particular age or period, there was a sliding door kind of that was associated, and on that door you could see whatever was kept behind those on those shelves or the presented showcases. So that is something that triggered me to think that we can have something like this in the context of India as well, in the museum, instead of just having some written document or presentation, whatever it is, whether they're swords, whether they are shields or their tools, equipments, whatever it has been recovered as of now in history or archaeology. So that can be a more interactive way of presentation, and it can attract not only, like, it can not only ease it for the elderly, but can also create a very amusing, a very interactive way how younger people and the upcoming generations can interact, and it can be far more engaging than the existing way of presentation. So overall, artificial intelligence contributes to more efficient, accurate, and scalable heritage preservation processes. Moving on to the theme 2 as a part of the findings, citizen participation. Digital governance platforms enable communities to contribute actively to heritage preservation through crowdsourcing, reporting, feedback systems, and mobile applications as well. Citizens can upload photographs, share local knowledge, document traditions, and identify threats to heritage assets. For example, there is one picture that is on my screen. So something like this can be a part of heritage governance, where people can just scan a particular whether a monument, like whether they visit Qutub Minar, or they visit Charminar in Hyderabad. They can just scan that particular monument or any report or anything, upload it, and something like Google Lens that we have today, maybe something like that, an application. So to move quickly, the challenges and the opportunities that exist. So the biggest challenges of digital divide, unequal access to technology. Then there are, of course, data privacy and consent and surveillance issues. In terms of governance, there are not much of policies, and there is a major issue in the implementation. To quickly sum up the theme 4, AI and sustainable development, the fourth theme connects heritage governance with the sustainable development goals, particularly SDG 11. AI can support sustainable urban planning while ensuring heritage conservation. So what my conclusion of this paper has been, that the future of heritage governance where heritage is protected by technology, empowered by people, and guided by policy, we build not just smarter systems, but a sustainable and more equitable world. It's a different way of looking at it. While we are maintaining our history, while we are preserving our history, we are also making it more compatible with AI and making it more compatible with further worlds, so that newer generations which come up, they can find those and interact with it and engage with our history more often. Thank you very much. That's all for today.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Bibu. And it was an excellent presentation. All the slides are very attractive. You can close the slides so that we can have a short discussion here.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Just
Yeah.